Hello everyone. India is a country lying in South Asia whose name came from the river Indus, and it is the seventh largest country in the world. So today let us discuss a topic related to our country India named Geographical Features and Prehistoric India. India is a subcontinent occupying a huge area in the southern part of the Asian continent, surrounded by water on three sides and land on one side, called peninsula. India shares its boundaries with Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, and Myanmar. India consists of 28 states and 8 union territories, and one national capital, Delhi. India's geography includes Himalayan mountains, Indo-Gangetic Plain in the north, Deccan Plateau, and the coastal region in the south. The Narmada River separates India into two: the Malwa Plateau or the Central Highlands and Deccan Plateau. The Indian coastline is vast and stretches over 6,100 kilometers. The eastern coastline is called the Coromandel Coast, and the western coastline is called the Konkan and Malabar Coast. Foreign trade was carried out in those days only through sea routes. Now let us discuss about prehistoric period. The period before the discovery of the art writing is called the prehistoric age. The scholars who studied this period are called archaeologists. In this age, man was nomad and indulged in hunting of food gathering. Archaeologists have discovered few tools created and used by these people. They used tools of stone, wood, and bones. Where did the prehistoric man live? The relics of the hunting and food gathering humans are available in Bhimketka, Hunsagi, and Kurnool in India. Most of the sites discovered along the banks of rivers and lakes. Now let us discuss the subtopic, the changing environment. There were three stages of prehistoric age. First one is Old Stone Age. First one is Old Stone Age. The age that prevailed 2 million years ago is the oldest age, and it is called Old Stone Age. It is stretched over a period of 12,000 years. Old Stone Age is divided into three stages: Early Old Stone Age, Middle Old Stone Age, and Late Old Stone Age. Next one is Middle Stone Age. It prevailed from 12,000 years to 10,000 years, and this is called Middle Stone Age. People were using small type of tools. And the third stage is New Stone Age. It began after 10,000 years. The tools were bright and had sharp edges. Pots were used for storing grains. People of this age had learned to weave cloth. So this was a small summary of our lesson, Geographical Features and Prehistoric India. India is the one land that all men desire to see, and having seen once, by even a glimpse, would not give that glimpse for all the shows of all the rest of the globe combined. Thank you, students.